Welcome back to Vlogmas, everybody. If you are new here, my name is Brenda and I like to film vlogs about lifestyle. So if you're into that kind of thing, please support the channel by clicking subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and share. We are going to be decorating our Christmas tree, which my husband already put up. How do you feel about that, Rico?
Yeah, I put it up already and it's right here. Little one.
Oh my gosh, you're funny. So that's the one that you put up?
Yeah.
Wow. As you can see, we have a very big mess here in the background because we pulled up, or by we, it's my husband. He pulled up all of the decorations from the garage the other day. So we have all of our boxes here and we're going to get ready to decorate the tree, which is going to be so much fun. And without further ado, let's get into the vlog. I was telling my husband that I kind of feel like the tree looks kind of not as fluffed up. Like, I don't know. This area seems to be very crunched up together, but then once you see it in here, it's like you can just literally grab the tree. So I'm not too sure what's happening. We might continue to fluff the tree up, or maybe it's just an illusion because, yep, there goes my husband and his Star Wars ornaments. Did it work?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. You want to show them what you did?
So I cool Millennium Falcon and I put a hook on it and it works.
My Newport Beach starfish here, which I really like. And this is the other one that I picked out last year. I think I picked this one out at Hobby Lobby, keeping the trend with the ocean energy because I love the ocean. So we're gonna go ahead and put this up. It's a sandcastle, right? This is a sandcastle? Yeah, it's super cute.
I guess this year we got 2 new ornaments that are pretty cool. So we picked up the
Obi-Wan Kenobi and the true star of the show, Ahsoka. Our tree is very Star Wars themed. I didn't even realize we had this many. We have everybody now, I think. Kind of. We don't have Darth Vader. Would you ever put Darth Vader up in here?
Yeah.
You would?
Yeah.
What about Chewbacca?
Yeah.
We're still missing people, but I'm gonna show y'all how many Star Wars ornaments we've got in this tree. Nice. How do you feel about that, mister?
Pretty good.
Wow, so we've got how many Star Wars ornaments here? We have R2-D2, Millennium Falcon, Ahsoka, a Stormtrooper, Obi-Wan Kenobi. Are we missing somebody? We don't have... I know, but do we have a Yoda here? We don't have... How come we don't have Yoda? He's like the main character. He's like the whole reason of Star Wars. Now the next area to decorate is going to be the kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and put some decor on the top of the fridge, a little bit of accents here in our little bakery. I like to call this area our bakery area because we have our KitchenAid and our coffee, and then we have tea right here. And then in this area, I also want to add just a few accents and then kitchen towels, and then also put the centerpiece on the table. So while I do the kitchen, my husband is out in our balcony and he's going to put the Christmas lights on, which he already started. So let me see how that's going for him. How's that going for you?
I don't know.
Put them out there too. our bedroom. So we are going to put ornaments on this mini tree. We're gonna quickly decorate this little guy. Go ahead and start with these white ornaments. We're trying to figure out how to hang our traditional Christmas signage, which is going to be this one right here. This is our traditional signage. We weren't able to put it up last year because we were living at my parents' house last year during this time of the year. And this year we can go ahead and put this up. So hubby is measuring the wall, ready to hang this. It took us all day to decorate, and I didn't film every little detail, but to sum it up, on the first floor we added garland to the stair rail, and as you come up you will see our Christmas themed plaque. I love this farmhouse styled plaque that I picked up at Kirkland's home decor store a few years ago. I also love how the signage and how the arrow happens to point towards the second floor. As you get to the second floor, you will see our beautiful Christmas tree. My current Christmas decor is traditional red, green, and whites. The tree has the red and gold ornaments, and next to it, our classic Santa Claus themed stockings. On our TV stand, I placed the nativity scene. It's a mini one and it works well in this area. I also added more garland with the touch of snow pine cones. On our coffee table, I placed a cozy cinnamon candle along with this Christmas present decor piece. The couch has the Santa Claus colored blanket that ties well with the stockings and the fluffy plaid pillows. So far, it's feeling real cozy in here, and we love the simple decor in our living room. In the kitchen, I added more decor pieces like this mini wreath over our sink area, along with the kitchen dish drying mat, kitchen towels, and our Christmas kitchen rug. Everything ties in well in this area. I'm loving the Christmas colors. On the top of our fridge, I placed our seasonal signage, garland, pine cones, and this snowman. At first, I placed a mini Christmas tree here, but I didn't like the way it looked, so instead I put the snowman here. In the kitchen prep area, I placed this mini frame of a Christmas tree art print, which ties well with the mini Santa boots and the Christmas themed spatulas. In the corner of our kitchen counter, I placed this Christmas countdown frame in the cookie jar, which ties well with our hand soap dispenser. And lastly, on our dining table is our new Christmas themed centerpiece that I picked up at Kirkland's home decor store. I spend a lot of time in the kitchen, so decorating every corner of our kitchen was important for me, and I'm loving the kitchen decor. In one of our bathrooms, I simply switched out the hand towels, hand soap dispenser, and switched out our autumn floral to Christmas floral. I placed a peppermint scented candle in here as well, and I'm loving how festive the bathroom is looking. In our bedroom, I simply added a few Christmas accents such as these pillows and plaid blanket. On my husband's nightstand, I placed the new nativity scene plaque from Kirkland's and a vanilla bean candle. On my nightstand, I simply added this mini snowed Christmas tree. I added ornaments, and this tree lights up too. In the corner of our bedroom, we put our new 3-foot Christmas tree. I elevated the tree by placing it over a crate. I also folded a Christmas cloth present bag, and it works well right now for a tree skirt. Love the look of the tree. I stuck with gold and white ornaments and love the soft, cozy glow that the lights give to the room. Well, that is a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed decorating with us and getting our place all cozy and ready for the holiday season. So thanks so much for tuning in. If you haven't yet, please like this video, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all on the next vlog. Bye!